Have you ever spent hours or even days on a piece of artwork only to pull the tape away when you're finished to see it destroy the paper or worse, your artwork? In today's quick tip, I'm going to show you how you can eradicate that forever. Hello everyone, Matt here with thevirtualinstructor.com, and in today's quick tip I want to show you an easy method for making sure that your masking tape does not tear your paper or worse, destroy your artwork when you're finished with the drawing. Of course, many of us like to use tape to mask off the edges of our drawing to create those nice crisp lines or edges around the artwork. And sometimes when we're finished, especially when we spend a lot of time on those drawings and paintings, when it's time to pull the tape away, well, the tape can destroy the paper, and sometimes I've even seen it destroy the artwork. Now, the way to eradicate that forever is not necessarily about the tape that you use, although the type or brand of tape that you use can affect what happens to the paper. I typically use regular on masking tape, but the key here is to make sure that you tape the masking tape to your pants or tape it to another article of clothing before you apply it to the surface. What happens is a little bit of lint is picked up by the adhesive on the tape, and it will still stick to the surface and create those nice sharp lines, but when you're ready to pull it away, it won't tear the paper because some of that adhesion has been taken away. Another tip is to make sure when you pull the tape away from the surface of the paper, be sure to pull it at a 90-degree angle. So in other words, if you're creating a horizontal edge, don't pull the tape away horizontally. If you're creating a vertical edge, don't pull the tape away vertically. Instead, pull it away at a 90-degree angle. This will help it release from the surface of the paper, creating that nice clean edge without destroying the paper or your artwork. If you enjoyed this video, then I know that you'll enjoy being a member at thevirtualinstructor.com. Our comprehensive membership program includes video courses on drawing and painting, weekly live lessons, ebooks, lesson plans for teachers, weekly critiques, and much, much more. To learn more about our program, just visit thevirtualinstructor.com/members or click on the card in the upper right-hand corner. And if you want to check out 3 of our course modules for free, you can do so. Just click on the link on your screen now. And if you're watching this on YouTube, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.